Beautiful day here in Florida, a little bit on the chilly side, but we got some nice sunshine, and it's a great opportunity to show you what's in the bag. It's in the bag. So let's go, check it out. J-Raz here, J-Raz Production. Hey everybody, welcome to my home. This is a quick video on what's in my camera bag. So let's get going. All right, so we have a compact bag, laptop holder right up here, essentials that I keep all my chargers, cords, little tools, lens caps, things that I need in here. We're gonna start in this compartment first. So this is the hand for the DJI Ronin SC. So I got the SC just a couple weeks ago. This thing is amazing. Screw it on like that, and here you go. You now have your handle for the gimbal, which I keep right here in the little laptop compartment. DJI Ronin SC. I'll do a whole separate tutorial video on that if you're interested, but this is the gimbal. We've got our Mavic Air 2. We've got the controller and everything that you need for there. In this little compartment here, I just kind of keep all my handles for the GoPro and different things like that. I have the GoPro right here with the media mod. You can take the media mod off, but I kind of just keep it in the bag with the mod on. A little bit more lighting, and this is the phone holder that goes on the gimbal. And finally, Sony a7 III. This is a fantastic mirrorless camera. I've gone ahead and already installed the quick release that goes on the gimbal itself, which is really easy. Slides on and gets locked into place. Get nice and smooth shots. Basically, this is the cord that will connect to the camera, but right now we're not gimbaling. Is that a word? To gimbal. That's pretty much it. These go and get unscrewed. This goes in there, zipped up. Just to kind of show you the size of it. It's pretty awesome.